Fucking this instrumental. I'm fucking a beat up, little nigga. This shit is so simple. It's easy, it's basic. About my money, about my paper. I need it, I'm going chase it. Who said, Tip, come inside me? I am not basic. I can replace any nigga, any replacement. Roll like Keith, like those trees. I am high like sheesh. I get high like Cheech. In tone, roll it up, I put in a bone. Yeah, I don't write my songs, I get high, then sing along. On the beat, I stress, I progress, I get high, I'm fly. Nationwide, we on cloud 9, 420, fuck with me, free my nigga Molly G and my nigga Doody. Let them down on these streets. Free them niggas from them pounds, that's them bloodhounds. Shout to BHG, all around it's going down. Shout out to Johnny Vance, he got that smoke. But you know, I'm his cousin, no motherfucker, I'm his bro. Got that dope, got that smoke, that marijuana, that everything. Smoking on that New Orleans, we got them feeling very strange. Hella baby, hella mama, come get at me from the wall. I've been ballin', I've been smoking on that funky. How you hatin'? I get all in your girl makeup. You got a bitch named Nina and she'll make up your face, bro. You don't want no problems. You don't want no problems. I swear to God, they judge me. They don't know how my life went. From Freddy versus Jason, then Batman or Robin. No, I Batman then Robin. Yeah, I jack him out his pockets. Who the fuck say I'm not real? Who the fuck say I'm not ill? Who the fuck say I couldn't make it? Who the fuck say I'm not ill? Nigga, you be hating. Why the fuck you hating with your races? I think you racist, but you can't replace Nathan by my money. It ain't in my jeans. Ain't suited for a tie. No politician about my business, but you suited to die. You can't fuck with my killers, cause they suited to ride. You fuck with us, it's murder gang, then it's called homicide. You fuck with my niggas, my killers, my friends, my fans.